welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. It's brand spanking new, and I'm so glad that you guys are watching it. This video is going to be about me living in New York, and kind of like who I encounter day to day, like normal stuff that goes on in life. It's not going to involve work. I was about to say work. It's no work. It's going to involve friends, some family, maybe not family. They probably don't want to be on this vlog. So yeah, scratch that. It's going to be friends, some fashion, some style, arts, volunteering, food. I love food. Food has a very special place in my heart. So I'm going to be that person who has the camera pointed down at my food, taking pictures of it, but I really don't care. I love food and I love to document it and I like to remember it. So now on this channel I actually get to share it, but it won't be just food, it'll be friends. Hopefully my friends will be okay with me videoing the night, some of the night. Some nights get kind of crazy. That's when the camera will go off. Don't worry. Gotta protect my friends. But I think they should be cool with it. I'm also going to be talking about just kind of lifestyle in New York and making friends in New York and meeting people in New York. I'm still in the process of doing that. It's really difficult. You would think there are so many people here in New York City that people would be everywhere, but you can actually feel really lonely. So you really have to make an effort to go out, get out of your comfort zone, meet some cool people. That was my phone dinging. I got a text message. Meet some cool people and just kind of branch out. And for me, that is kind of difficult because I'm a bit of an introvert. That's also like kind of why this is a big deal that I'm making this video. Dating in New York, which has been a challenge, let me tell you. We're gonna talk about it. I want to hear the comments below, but I want that to be a topic. Dating in New York City, or I also want dating in wherever you're dating. I'm sure it's hard, kind of just like anywhere in the world. It's hard to find love if you're looking for it. I also want to talk about, you see your friends doing stuff like getting married, engaged, kids. How do you feel about that? This vlog is gonna be versatile, so you're not gonna see all beauty or all fashion. It's gonna be a little bit of everything. And I'm also gonna take the camera out into New York. I think New York is amazing, so why would you not want to see it firsthand? So I live like a double life. Dance on one side, corporate on the other side, and somewhere I'm in the middle. Yeah, I haven't really figured it out either, but I'm just kind of going with the flow. I like to date myself, so I will go out and I'll take my camera and just kind of eat and be fierce and take lots of pictures. So yeah, anyway, I actually bought my first pair of designer shoes, and they are fantastic, and I will hopefully do a video on them so I can share them, because it was just like love at first sight. When I saw them, I was like, oh my god, I have to have this. So I got the shoes. They were expensive, but sometimes you gotta splurge. Sometimes you gotta live your life and just do what you want to do. I'm in my very first apartment in New York City, and the light's changing. I hope it changes back. That's a little bit over that. So I am so excited. It's amazing to live with no roommates. Roommate life, I get it, I understand it, it serves its purpose, but it's nothing like having your own fridge. The whole fridge is your fridge, not just a part of the fridge is your fridge, the whole fridge, the whole thing. I always go into TJ Maxx, God, I'm like my mom, go into TJ Maxx and see like little home stuff, although you cannot buy everything in New York because space is a virtue. Space is very limited. So that's helpful, because I don't buy so much, so I cut down on the clutter. So that's that's a positive. But I do want to talk about some interior design. If you guys have any tips for small spaces, I would love that. I think maybe an apartment tour when I clean it, clean it all the way. This was just kind of a glimpse of what you can expect from this channel. Hopefully I get a video out every week. I'll try to do something exciting like every week. We'll go out with friends or kind of go out by myself, have a sophisticated drink by myself. Okay, that was corny. Subscribe below, give me comments, positive or negative. I'll take your constructive feedback. Keep it nice, people. Keep it nice. Suggestions, tips, tricks that you do for your YouTube channel, please leave them below. Again, I'm really excited. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My names are TP and they're also down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.